It is our nature. Human beings like success, but they hate successful people. If everyone is moving forward together, then success takes care of itself. Do not be conquered by fear of loss or defeat, for without them, success and victory would be meaningless. My great concern is not whether you have failed, but whether you are content with your failure. Success is most often achieved by those who don't know that failure is inevitable. Success is the result of perfection, hard work, learning from failure, loyalty, and persistence. The secret of success is this: there is no secret to success. People get successful and they start saying, well, of course, I'm chosen, I'm special. No, you're not. The greatest accomplishment is not in never failing, but in rising again after you fall. The five essential entrepreneurial skills for success: concentration, discrimination, organization, innovation, and communication. I feel the most important requirement to success is learning. To overcome failure, you must learn to tolerate it but never accept it. Failure is a detour, not a dead end street. The secret to success is to start from scratch and keep on scratching. Happiness lies in the joy of achievement and thrill of creating effort. Success is not permanent, neither is failure. Failure is not an option. Everyone has to succeed. City cars, the spirited horse which will try to win the race of its own accord will run even faster and encouraged. If you want to succeed, you should strike out on new paths rather than travel the worn paths of accepted success. Through perseverance, many people win success out of what seemed destined to be certain failure. For success, attitude is equally as important as ability.